If you've been watching PMC Lounge for a while, thank you. You are part of a community of project managers who are serious about their careers, and that means a lot. Today, I want to talk to you about something that takes your journey a step further. Free content gets you started. But if you want to move faster, go deeper, and get real support, there's a level beyond just subscribing. It's the PMC Lounge VIP Pass, our YouTube channel membership. There are 3 tiers, each built for a different stage of your career. The first tier is the VIP Pass. This is where you enter into the PMC Lounge inner circle. You get custom loyalty badges that show up on your every single comment that you post. You also get exclusive member emojis and priority replies. When you ask a question, you move to the front of the queue. If you want to support the free content and stay closer to the community, this is where you start. The second tier is VIP Pass Pro. On top of everything in the VIP Pass, you get full access to our premium project management courses and early access to new videos before they even go public. This tier is built for someone actively working towards their PMP or other project management certification. You are not waiting for content, you are actually ahead of it. The third tier is the VIP Pass Elite. This is the full experience. On top of everything in the Pro, you get direct one-on-one consultation with me, virtual of course. We sit down, look at your specific situation, your certification path, your career goals, and we build a plan together. You also get collaboration opportunities. So if you have ideas or projects you want to develop, we explore that together too. This tier is for the ambitious project manager who isn't just trying to pass an exam and get a certification. They are building a real project management career and they want a real partner in that process. Here's what I want you to remember. The credential is the starting line. It is not the finish line. You've already made the decision to invest in your career. That's why you are here. The VIP Pass is your next step. All 3 tiers are available right now. Hit the join button on this page, pick the tier that fits you wherever you are today in your career, and know that you can always upgrade as you grow. So let's get to work. PMC Lounge, get certified, stay ahead.